it's Pro Scout Moto, and well, I got a new bike yesterday, I think it was. No, not yesterday. The day before yesterday, we went and picked it up at like 7 o'clock last night. It was like really late, so we came back and ate dinner, and we didn't have any time to make a video on it. And the next day, we were waiting for the parts to come in because we opened up the air box and the air filter was just falling apart, like literally like chunks missing, and the oil is bad too. So we figured we'd make a video showing you the bike and changing all that stuff out. And here's what we're going to use. We're going to use this oil. I recommend it for Honda dirt bikes. They're really good. And I got this air filter. We don't have a unifilter yet, but we just had to get an air filter, so we got this one.
Stock.
Yeah, it's stock air filter. And it already comes like with the stuff on it, so it's good. And we just got more Honda oil because we're starting to run low. It should be at your local dirt bike dealership or something like that. And yes, so let's get these off. This is a really nice tool to have, this little socket set, because well, it's just got like about everything you need in it. Hold on. Is this the right size? Yep. Yeah, I injured my thumb last night, so and always make sure to put your screws where you won't lose them, because that's just common sense. Oh God. There it goes.
You don't need the other side.
Huh?
You don't need that one.
Okay, yeah. And all you gotta do to take off the airbox is you gotta grab this. I'm probably not gonna be able to do it because my thumb. Yeah, I can't do it. So can you help out? You gotta pull down on that top strap, and you can see you just unhook it from the bottom. So yeah, and you just lift up, and then you push forward, and you move it up, and you can kind of see the condition of my air filter right there. Yeah. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Yeah. That just peeled right off there, so that's pretty ensuring. So yeah, I mean, I always like an air filter that will just peel off. You got a knife I can use to cut this open?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, 1 second, camera. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to take off this little hand thing so I can put on some gloves so I don't get my hands all sticky. He wipes that out because it is really nasty. And there's part of the air filter just laying in there, so don't want that. Yeah, my thumb is really sore. And there are the dogs over there just playing around. Yeah, they're pretty mean to each other. Okay, so now I think that this should just slide around that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so. Whoa, okay. I don't know if the camera saw that, but that was really cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is really sticky, actually. Like, I'm not sure how much of that stuff they put on it. This air filter.
Filter oil.
Yeah. How much filter oil they put on it. But I'm going to say probably around a lot. How would you say that looks?
I'd say it looks pretty good. Probably gotta tuck that one part in again.
The dogs are like freaking out. Alright, I'm gonna try and put this in there.
Mm-hmm.
My gloves completely like so sticky, like. Okay. Oh, you forgot to push this like that. Alright. So that's done. I'm gonna get off these gloves because, like I said, they're just so sticky. Like it's crazy. And I can't strap that back. Actually, I can put this because my thumb is. Alright. There you go. If you want me to film me doing that, I can. It is pretty hard to do. Not gonna lie, that's pretty hard. As you can see, you have to hook it from back there. Yeah. Okay, so that's a new. What?
Go ahead.
Okay, so that's a new air filter in. So now it should, well, get more air easily. And so next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the oil. Now what we went ahead and did is we took 2 milk jugs and, well, we cut one like this so we could slide it under and collect the oil in. And it's kind of got where it comes to a point, so we're going to pour that into this jug to dispose of it. Now, make sure if you spill oil on the ground to really clean that up because that can be bad for the environment. So, if you come over here, it's pretty simple on how you change the oil in this thing. I need the sockets, so I need to come over here. I'm pretty sure I don't have the size required.
Mm-hmm.
17 maybe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll try that.
You're probably gonna need to use mine with the breaker bar, or you can slide this over it.
Yeah.
You might need an extension.
No, it's okay. Alright, now I'm going to try to not. Wait, is it on loosen or tighten? I'm pulling it to the left. I'm pretty sure that's tightening, right?
Let's see. Yes, that's tightening.
Alright. So maybe if I switch it like this, it'll work. Okay, yeah. We're gonna have to get a bar to use. And like I'm using a PVC pipe. You don't need anything really fancy. Oh, okay. I thought the bar was about to break for a second. Are you sure this is?
You might be tightening it.
I thought you knew these things, man.
Here, just flip it. Alright.
Alright, it's not on there. It's not on there. It's not on this. Alright, so. Oh. Well then, did that loosen it? Yep.
Tighten it back up for a little bit.
What?
Got to get the oil warm.
Oh, yeah. With the oil that's already in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There. I didn't tighten it too much. Yeah, it's Thanksgiving where I am. I don't know about you. But my mom's is cooking her awesome Thanksgiving meal while we're doing this. So, make sure it's in neutral. Yeah, it'll roll.
Choke.
Yeah.
Gas.
When it's cold out, it's harder to turn the gas thing.
You choked it.